In Ibrahimpatnam Mandal of Andhra Pradesh, women had the skill but not the stage. Their silent aspirations found hope when NTR district administration decided it was time to transform their future. Rise emerged from that belief. It became more than a training center. It became a turning point where rural women were finally seen, heard and empowered. AI skill mapping uncovered talents that had long remained hidden. A dedicated creche allowed mothers to learn without worry. On-site banking removed barriers that once felt out of reach. Skill development breathed life into ambitions that had quietly waited for years. Then came the SHG Shark Tank, a bold platform shaped with the collectors' support. Women who once doubted themselves stood with confidence, presenting their ideas, securing loans instantly, and watching their future open right before their eyes. The transformation has been extraordinary. In just 1 year, Rise reached 5,000 women. Over 1,200 gained new skills. Around 60 women launched their own enterprises. Household incomes rose from 50,000 rupees to nearly 1 lakh rupees, touching the lives of more than 10,000 people across the block. Rise is more than a center. It is a reminder that potential blossoms when someone chooses to nurture it. It shows that transformation often begins in quiet corners, in the courage of a woman taking her very first step. This is where the change began. Rise, a new dawn in the hands of women.
We shall rise! We shall rise!